Hello everyone, welcome back to another DIY video. In my today's video, I will be showing you how to make this hair oil. This is made from very easily available ingredients and which is very good for your hair. I'm using Amla and curry leaves along with fenugreek seeds. This is the oil for fast hair growth. And if you're suffering from dandruff, hair fall, scanty hair, dry scalp and dry hair, frizzy hair, then this is the oil which you would want to use. This is good for young and old, men and women. So if you want to know how to make this hair oil, please continue watching. To make this hair oil, I will be needing 1 cup of or 1 bowl of fresh curry leaves. These are the leaves which I purchased from the market. If you don't have, you can also use dried ones. This is an easily available ingredient anywhere, you can purchase it. So curry leaves contain vitamin C, vitamin B, proteins and antioxidants, all of which contribute to the cellular regeneration and promote healthy circulation of blood to your scalp, thereby keeping your scalp healthy and promoting hair growth. The next ingredient is Myy seeds or fenugreek seeds, 2 tablespoons. Fenugreek seeds are rich in protein and it contains nicotinic acid which will fight hair fall and also dandruff. It also has acts as a moisturizing agent for your hair. It controls dryness and also balding of your hair. It will promote hair growth, keeping your hair thicker. The next main ingredient of this hair oil is the Amla. I have 4 to 5 pieces of this. It is rich in vitamin C. It also has minerals along with nutrients which is very good for your hair. It helps to keep your scalp healthy by improving the blood circulation to the hair. It also stimulates hair growth, keeps your hair thicker, makes it grow longer and also helps to keep away dryness of your hair. The next ingredient is of course coconut oil. I am using this coconut oil 500 ml. You can use any brand coconut oil which is available for you. You can use a mix of oils also, keeping the ratio of coconut oil more. You can use castor oil, olive oil, even almond oil if you want to use. So these oils will keep your hair healthy. To make this oil easily, I will be using coconut oil. The procedure is simple. All you need to do is mix all these ingredients. For that I am just making pieces of these amla, cutting into small pieces so that it is I can easily grind it. I am not throwing the seeds, I will be using it also. And if you have a few pieces of lemons which are dry, which you have used just the rind of the lemon, you can use it in the oil also. It will give that aroma. So I am using few of those lemon. Next, so you have to take all these ingredients, put it in a mixer jar and grind it coarsely. You don't have to grind it smooth, and don't add water. Whatever the content or water content is there in the amla, that would be enough to make it into a coarse paste like this. So this is how you need to grind it. The preparation of this oil, you need to use a double boiler method. For that I am using a pan. I have lit the stove and going to heat up the pan so that I can use it as a double boiler method. Keep the flame in high and keep a thick bottomed pan where I am adding oil, coconut oil 500 ml. If you are using mix of oils, you can use that also. Even kalonji oil would do if you have. So here 500 ml of oil I am adding, and I will be adding the ground paste of all these ingredients. Adding the ground ingredients here in the oil, and I am going to allow it to boil in low flame and stir it occasionally, and you can see that it will start to boil. You need to check it occasionally so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. The color of the oil changes to pale green and the ingredients become lighter, and this is when you will be ready to put off the stove. Here it takes at least 10 to 15 minutes in low flame for this to happen. At the end of 15 minutes also, it is easy to make out the oil is done when your spoon moves easily in the oil and the color of the oil has changed and the ingredients have become lighter in the oil. So this is the time you can put off the stove and allow this oil to cool so that you can strain it. Once you have allowed it to cool for 10 minutes, then this is ready to be strained. So the cooling process should be just for 10 minutes and this should not completely become cool, otherwise the ingredients will absorb the oil back into itself. Therefore, when the oil is still warm, it is you can easily touch it without feeling the heat. Then this is the time you can strain this oil. And so the next method is to strain the oil. For that I am using a bowl where I am going to cover it with a cloth, this transparent or porous cloth which I can easily use it as a strainer. If you don't want this setup, you can use a normal strainer. I am using it like this because I have to drain out the last bit of oil also, therefore I am using this setup. So here I have just poured all the oil into this and I am going to strain every last bit of the oil into the bowl. So here I am squeezing out all the oil from the cloth. I am squeezing the last bit of oil which can come out. The reason I have used the cloth is because of this. So this is how the residue looks. See, it is quite dry, and you don't have to throw this. You can use it as a body exfoliator. You can just mix little bit of rice flour in this and scrub it on your body. It can remove dead cells. So this oil is ready. You can transfer this into a glass jar. Keep it for at least 3 to 4 months at room temperature. Nothing will happen. If you want to use this, take a little bit or 2 to 3 tablespoons of this oil, warm it a little bit and apply on your scalp. Rub it, massage it along the length of your hair also. You can apply. This can be applied overnight. You can apply it in the night, wash off in the next morning, or you can just apply in the morning, keep it the whole day and use however you want. So this is very good oil for all hair types. It will solve most of your hair problems. So try this and see how it works for you. If you like more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, you can share it also. And thanks for watching.